Welcome to the Upati Open Classroom. During this video, we will guide you through the Open Classroom, show you how to access the different courses and modules and all the content available in the learning platform. We will also guide you through your personal space, profile and dashboard so that you can get the most out of your learning. Let's get started. The first page you find is the homepage or landing page. This page welcomes you to the Open Classroom, gives you an overall information about Upati and the type of courses that the platform offers through different videos. On the right top of the page, you can see a guide here that shows you how to get the best out of your learning. If we go back to the landing page, at the bottom of the page, we will be able to find a direct access to the Upati Patient Expert Training Program, the Patient Engagement Roadmap, the Upati Connect, and the Upati National platforms. Now, let's see what we can find at the top of the page. The first one is the About page. Here, you can find more detailed information about Open Classroom, Upati's mission, the content generation process, as well as quality control and other relevant information. Let's go now to the second page, the Learning Catalog. Here, you can access all the learning contents. First of all, you will find the different modules, and if you click on any of them, you can access the different courses. Let's, for example, go to the module Introductions to Medicine's R&D. Here, you will find the different courses that compose this module. Now, let's, for example, go to the course Process of Medicine's Discovery and Development. Access to the content is free of charge. If you wish to take the assessment and obtain the certificate, you will have to enroll in the course through this button and pay through this button. Once you have paid, if you go back to the main course, at the bottom of the page, you will find the link to the assessment. And through this button, you will be able to access the assessment. There are 10 attempts allowed, and the grade to pass is 7 out of 10. Let's go back to the Learning Catalog. Now, if we go to the first module, Getting Started, we will find the course Overview of Medicine's Research and Development. This course is free of charge. If you wish to obtain the certificate, you will have to enroll in the course through this button and accept, and click on the ticks here, here, and here, and you will automatically receive the certificate. If we move to the third page, we will find the page Patient Expert Training Program. Here, you will be able to find all the information related to the program, registration dates, timeline, and other relevant information. The next one is the FAQ page. Here, some of the most frequently asked questions are collected. If you have a question that is not listed here, please contact us via email. If we move forward, we will find the glossary. Through all the learning content, you will find some words in bold blue with their definitions. In the glossary, you can use the search engine to look up these words. If we move to the next page, we will find the Upati Toolbox. This page contains information related to the toolbox and the hyperlink to access it. Toolbox is an online library on the A to Z of medicine's research and development and patient engagement. The purpose of the Toolbox is to provide access to well-structured, comprehensive, scientifically reliable, and user-friendly educational materials for patients on a variety of topics in these areas. The Toolbox is organized in two main areas, medicine's R&D and patient engagement. You can also search by category or keyword. Let's go now to the last page, the Accessibility Resource page. This page contains relevant information and resources for visual impaired people. We have shown you all the information and contents you can find in the Open Classroom. Now, let's go to your personal space, your profile, and your dashboard. If you click on the icon on the top right, you can find the preferences and the profile. On the profile page, you will find the user details and the possibility to change them. In this page, you can also access your badges, your certificates, and your course details. Now, if we look at the right side of the page, we can find the dashboard. Here, you can have an overview of your learning. In this page, you can search for courses, access the latest courses, and view and download your badges and your certificates. Remember that you can always search for keywords or other type of content through the magnifying glass that you will find at the top right of the page.